couple family gatherings coming up, and I was looking for a cool way to make some food. So I'm so excited to try out this PYY electric pizza oven. I'm going to use it to make more than just pizza. I'm also going to try to do cookies as well. This pizza oven's very large. It's 22.4 inches by 10.8 inches by 20.8 inches, and it can fit up to a 14-inch pizza inside. This oven can be used for both personal as well as commercial use. So I could see this being used at parties, get-togethers, or even a family dinner, but also at cafes, cafeterias, as well as restaurants and more. Really, the possibilities are endless with this pizza oven. My favorite feature on this pizza oven has to be this tempered glass right here, because while you're making the food, you can check on it and see how it's doing. This will also help prevent things from being burned or undercooked. I always love to check the progress of when I bake or cook, so I love the fact that I don't have to open the oven to see how it's doing inside. That's definitely going to be a game changer, because I know opening the oven can let out extra heat and not always make it cook all the way through, so this is definitely a great feature for me. It comes with everything that you need to make delicious pizza or any other baked good. It comes with the oven itself. There is a heating stone inside. It comes with 2 of these oven mitts, 2 heating pads, as well as a handy apron. A unique feature about this oven is the fact that it uses a baking stone. This baking stone helps it bake evenly, as well as absorbs water so that you can have that crispy crust that I love. This oven also allows you to control the heat from 122 degrees Fahrenheit to 662 degrees Fahrenheit. You guys know I love a multifunctional tool, so the fact that you can cook way more than just pizza is definitely a plus. I could see myself using this to bake pies, cakes, cookies, so much more, pretzels even. Or I could see it cooking meat like fish. I could see it using chicken wings. I could also see it cooking up some steaks or some chicken. Really, you can use this for so much. The only thing better than a great kitchen gadget is one that's easy to operate. And this pizza oven does not disappoint. So if you want to heat the top, simply move this knob to the desired temperature. Then this second knob is for the bottom heating. And again, you can make these 2 different temperatures. It depends on what kind of cook you're going for inside of here. And then this third knob is a handy timer. So you set that for whatever time you need to cook your cookies, brownies, pizza, whatever it may be. This timer does not shut off the oven. It's just a great alert to let you know it's time to take it out. Then we have these little buttons down here. This one turns on the oven, this bottom one. And this top one, voila, turns on the light so that you can easily see what's cooking inside and kind of figure out where it's going, if it's cooking a little faster or slower than you were expecting, or just checking up on your progress in general. So let's make some pizza and cookies. My brother's coming over today, and that means I need to make some food. I'm super excited to use my new electric pizza oven from PYY to bake some cookie as well as some pizza. The oven is very large. It's 22.4 inches by 20.8 inches by 10.8 inches, and it can fit up to a 14-inch pizza inside. It can be used for both personal as well as commercial use, so I could see this being used for parties, holiday gatherings, and cafeterias, bars, restaurant. If you need to bake something or roast something, this does it all. So I'm inserting my pizza in here right now, and my favorite part of this has to be the fact that there's that tempered glass inside, and when you turn the light on, you can track the baking progress of whatever's inside so that you get a really nice bake and you're not overcooking your food. You can see right in there super easily. So the kit comes with a pizza oven, a baking stone, 2 gloves, an apron, as well as a super handy instruction manual. And a unique feature of this pizza oven is the fact that it uses a baking stone to improve baking efficiency, which releases even heat and as well as absorbs water to ensure the pizza or cookies or whatever you're baking has a crispy taste. It also allows you to control the heat between 122 and 662 degrees Fahrenheit. You know I love multifunctional products, so the fact I can bake so many things, way more than just pizza, is a huge plus. You can use the oven to bake pizza, pretzels, pies, cookies, cake. It really allows you to do anything, even turkey, wings, even fish. I mean, come on. And the best way to finish this off is obviously enjoying it with my brother, and he and I are super fans of this product. So if you or someone you love is looking for an amazing pizza oven, look no further, this is the one for you.